Okay, the next question is from Mr. Clement. He has asked, Dan, please list all the positives and negatives on board Merchant Navy career.
So, Mr. Clement, thank you very much for all your comments, for all the encouragement, and we really feel like we've known each other for a very
I know.
long time because you've been your messages are like we are pretty close to each other. You're very personal. I feel whenever I see your messages. Thank you very much for that.
And I must say, this channel I think has more fans for Dan than for me. Everybody are so comfortable with the way he speaks, and everybody are talking to him so well in the comment section. I can see a whole chat conversation going on, and what to say, Dan army has been formed, I guess, especially by ladies.
No, they're all coming. One's commenting like, "I like your earrings."
Now that people know that he can speak Telugu, so he's getting a lot more fans.
Yeah, Telugu speaking people. Wow.
Yeah. Okay, so answer for this question: positives and negatives of Merchant Navy.
Okay, positives and negatives of Merchant Navy. Positives is I would say family time. I get good solid 6 months of family time where I don't have to work and I can concentrate completely on my family. I take it as a huge positive. Negative is I have to stay away from them for 6 months. I cannot have the luxury of finishing my work and getting back to my wife and kid. Of course, I can take them sailing, but that's another huge risk. So there are several points. I could list, but these are the most important ones. Family time. That's what we all work for, actually. That's what we all do all the hard work for. After that, I would say it's the risk factor involved. But then anyone crossing the road and the pollution over here, it's risky as well. But when you're out at sea, it's the water, it's the weather, it's the cyclones that we face. It gets pretty rough out there. So that's a lot of stress, and we don't know. We always, there's always a doubt behind us, but we have to be brave. We have to face the storms. We have to go ride these storms and ride the waves, and then only then we can actually survive. So there's no stepping back when we see something. We have to go through it. So we learn a lot of tough lessons out there, and it's a white collar job, Merchant Navy. At least in the officer ranks, it's a prestigious job, and that's what I look forward to. So I would consider that as a positive. And negative is again the job is actually not what it seems like. Everything is not white collar. There is all tough work as well. I can share some pictures over here, some videos which I've taken from work, and it's really tough. The working hours is long. It's there's no break to it. We have to get job done. We have to.
You have a very defined schedule for everything, and each company has their own rules, has its own law. So you have to abide by all their rules and laws.
We have to actually get the work done. Now I'm in the management level, so I have to make people do more extra work to get the final result, because that's what that matters. There are not going to be countries waiting for us to finish our work and then do the loading and discharging. We have to clean the place, we have to clean the holes, we have to get them ready to receive the cargo and all that. So that way it's a challenging job. And the food, I would say, have to talk about the food, because the food quality is pretty good in my company, but there are other companies where people don't get proper food. Like you have to get settled with steak, you have to settle with bun, you have to settle with boiled rice. But my company, it has almost 90% plus Indians. So the food, Sunday means biryani day, and the food is good.
My son got so used to eating biryani on Sundays that I have to follow the same timetable at home as well. Sunday means it's biryani. They need to have biryani once a week. He got so used to it when we were on board.
And the money, yes, after all this hard work, after all the risk you take, money is decent. I won't say it's too much, because our pay scales are not revised for a very long time. For the past 12 years, I believe our pay has been stagnant. Like the price of a house for the past 12 years has gone up, how many folds. You would know better, because you guys are on land and you guys know the value. But for the last 12 years, our pay scale has been stagnant. So there has been no change, and I don't think with the recession coming up, there would be any change in near future. I think there would be a cutout in our salaries, but they will not increase at any time now. So being a government job here, you get the 5th scale commission, 6th scale, now we are in the 7th pay scale commission, and it's amazing. It's amazing about all the benefits you get over here. But over a period of time, you realize, oh God, I think government job would have been a better option. But then yes, whatever it shows, you're proud of it, you continue doing what you do. So I would say Merchant Navy has its ups and downs, just like any other career. But family time, I would say it's a total bonus. The 6 compared to my friends who are on land, I guess over a period of time, everyone takes advantage of their partner. They're like, okay, they have to do this, they have to do that. It's their duty, it's their responsibility. But when you're not with her, and I come back to her and I see the amount of work she does, and I give her a hand, and she appreciates that. She loves to have me back, and I see the amount of work. How can she manage all this on her own when I'm not here? How can she cook 3 times a day, wash the vessels, take care of the kid, send him to school, take care of his education, do work on her work and all the time? I think it's amazing how you need a real special woman to handle a merchant navy guy, a merchant navy partner. It is not easy, guys. Trust me. So if you find the right girl, you have to stick to her, no matter what. Thank you.
Usually in arranged marriages, people think that if you marry a merchant navy guy, you won't get any family time at all. He's going to be away for most of the months in the year and you'll be left all alone. But no, that is not the truth. I feel very blessed and lucky to have married a merchant navy guy who can, give 6 months of solid time for me. He's not going to go for work. He's not going to, show the work stress on me. His workplace is in a different world. So if he's working there on ship and if he's got too much stress, he won't contact me at all. So he's not going to direct that towards me. And when he's here, there is absolutely no work. There's absolutely no stress. There's no boss for him. So he's going to be so cool-headed. Of course, I'm the boss. There's no external boss for him. So I'm the one who's extracting all the work from him. So I have 2 more extra hands when he's here. And Rayu gets to Rayu gets to have full solid time from his parents, like both from me and from his dad. He gets all the 24 hours. So I feel I'm really blessed to have married him. I'll never ever regret marrying a merchant navy guy. Okay, so the next question is from Pooja. I actually cannot find the screenshot of the question, but I remember her question. Sorry Pooja, I cannot flash the screenshot. So your question was, how do I manage my child when Dan is away? I guess I got the question right. So let me answer this. When Dan is away, it is definitely difficult for me to manage the child all alone. My child has not yet started going to school. So before having the baby, we thought about this and we had made certain arrangements so that, I feel very comfortable when he's away. So these arrangements include staying next to my parents' place. I have already told you guys how close we stay to my parents' place. We live in the same apartment, opposite to each other. Like we have a separate house, and when we open our door, there it is, my mother's house, just right opposite to mine. So what happens is, my mother's family is a joint family, in the sense my parents, my aunt, my brother, my grandparents, all of them are staying together. So there are a lot of people. So whenever I want to do some YouTube work, I send my child over there. Of course, I cook for him, I feed him, I take him to the restroom, give him bath, all those work, I look after all that. But still there is a lot to be done, right? Having a child is not a joke. You have to entertain the kid, you have to be there around him, you have to attend to his needs and listen to him and all that. So there are so many people around me who can do this for me, but this is not possible for everybody. Suppose you're not living in the same city as your parents, what will you do? Suppose you have elderly in-laws to look after, then what will you do? Your husband is not there to give you a hand. So in such cases, I will suggest you to hire a housemaid who can probably live with you and help you out with all other works. Or even if she cannot live with you in the same house, she can come in the morning, take care of the child or take care of the cooking or the household work, and she can leave in the evening. So you need to arrange some extra help so that you can do something that you like. Maybe people or the society around you might force you to do it single-handedly, look after the child all the time, and burden you with all the responsibilities, all the household work. But no, you have to say no to it. You need to take time out of all this. You need to really value your happiness also, and you need to take time out of all other responsibilities and spend some time for your happiness, for something that you like. So if you are a working woman, or if you have too much of responsibility, hire some extra help, and that will help you a lot. And always have comfortable things at home, because I don't think money will be a big deal for a merchant navy guy's wife. We get sufficient money, enough for our living. So buy things that makes you comfortable, have a comfortable life, so that you know your life becomes easy. It's all about your happiness, right? Like what are we going to do buying property and you know saving money in the bank and safeguarding all the money? We are not going to take it after we die. So make your life as comfortable as possible and try to hire as much help as you can and be comfortable in your own space. Don't depend too much on your husband because he cannot do anything about it other than earning money for you. So use the money and get your life comfortable. This is my very frank reply to this question.
Thank you. That's a beautiful answer.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
I did not sound too.
No.
Okay, so I was very honest with
Very
that
honest.
answer. Thank you for asking this question, Pooja.
And to two special subscribers, సునీత గారు అండ్ సుజాత గారు, మీరు ఎప్పుడు అంటూ ఉంటారు తెలుగులో ఎందుకు మాట్లాడట్లేదని. అంటే ఒక ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తే నేను కూడా చాలా మాట్లాడతాను, ఎందుకంటే మా ఆవిడికి అంత అర్థం అవుదని నేను ఎందుకు తన ఛానల్లోకి వచ్చి ఎందుకు అనవసరంగా తెలుగులో మాట్లాడదామని. ఓకే, సో ఎలాగంటే మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా చాలా మంది అడుగుతారు, ఎలా నన్ను చూస్తే అంత తెలుగులా లేను కదా, మరి ఎలా ఇంత చక్కగా ఎలా మాట్లాడతామంటే, నేను చిన్న వయసులో తెలుగు బాగానే నేర్చుకున్నానండి. నేను స్కూల్లో అంతా తెలుగులో రాయడం చదవడం, 6th స్టాండర్డ్ వరకు తెలుగులో విద్యా వికాస్ అని చెప్పి ఏలూరులో ఒక స్కూల్ ఉండేది, ఆ స్కూల్లో చదువుకున్నాను. అయితే ఇప్పుడు మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా ఏలూరులో, నేను ఎప్పుడైనా ఊరికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు నాతో పాటు బయటికి వెళ్తారు. వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా పల్లెటూరులో పక్కన ఉన్న పల్లెటూరులో అలా తిరుగుతూ వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు అక్కడ కూడా వెళ్ళి, సరే చూడండి ఫారెన్ నుంచి తెచ్చాను కుర్రాడిని, మా కుర్రాడు వీడి తెలుగు రాదు, మీరు ఏం కావాల్సి చెప్పుకోండి అది ఇది అంటారు. సో తెలుగులో ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్లు మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటారు. నేను మామూలుగా ఇంగ్లీష్లో రిప్లై చేస్తూ ఉంటాను, వాట్ ఇస్ ఈ సేయింగ్ కమాన్, వాట్ ఇస్ ఈ సేయింగ్, నాకేం అర్థం అవునట్లు అలా మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటాను. సరే మొత్తానికి ఏంటంటే ఒక గంట అరగంట తర్వాత నేను, ఎరా ఏ చెప్పారా వీళ్ళు, ఎలా ఉన్నారా, ఏంట్రా ఇలా వాడుతున్నారు అని మా మంచి లోకల్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో మాట్లాడేసి ఇప్పుడు జాలీగా ఉంటాం. ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా అక్కడ చాలామంది ఉన్నారు, మిస్ దెమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. చెన్నైలో ఉంటూ ఆంధ్రాలో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు సంతోషంగానే ఉంటాం. చెన్నైలో కొంచెం కష్టమే, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఫ్యామిలీ ఉన్నారు, సో రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో థ్యాంక్స్ అండి, థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్ ఫర్ కమెంటింగ్ ఆన్ అవర్ ఛానల్, థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్ ఫర్ సబ్స్క్రైబింగ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. లుక్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు మోర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కమెంట్స్ అండ్ ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Actually, there are a lot more Telugu subscribers on our channel, but maybe you guys didn't mention it in the comment section, so we actually don't know how many of you speak Telugu. I don't speak Telugu, so I cannot speak like him, but he was so happy reading comments from Sujata Garu and Sunita Garu. He was so happy reading comments when they asked him to talk in Telugu. He loves speaking in Telugu, and this is a special dedication for the both of you. I know. And recently, I started watching Telugu movies without subtitles. Like I watched 2 normal movies, like Pelli Cheppulu I watched, and Pelli Choopulu I watched, and Chalo I watched. And Arya also I watched recently, and then a few more Telugu movies. Before and all I used to watch with subtitles, but these days I don't watch with subtitles, so I'm able to understand Telugu better. So you guys should ask him to teach us more Telugu, right? He doesn't teach us at all. Like he doesn't talk to us in Telugu. If he can talk to us in Telugu, then we can pick up the language. At least my son will pick it up.
ఆంధ్రాకి వస్తే మాట్లాడతాను, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఈ ఊర్లో ఉండే మాట్లాడతాను. అంత అర్థమవుతుంది తనకి, బాగానే అర్థమవుతుంది.
Yeah, actually when you go on board, you find so many Telugu people working there on the ship, right?
Anta Srikakulam, Vizag, ఆ ఏరియా నుంచి.
Yeah, many merchant navy guys are there on board who speak Telugu. So, you know, it becomes very comfortable for him to actually work with those people. Like they behave like one family. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope I've given good answers for your questions rather than just replying in one word. And this is the reason why we don't reply to your question in the comment box itself. You might think why this girl is always saying I'll answer to your question in the video, I'll answer to your question in the video, because I really want to, you know, do justice to the question, to the love and affection that you guys are giving us, and answer properly, not for the sake of typing something. So this is the reason why we are answering to your questions in the video. I might have missed out a few questions because all these questions are from different videos. These questions were not asked in the same video, so definitely I would have missed out a few questions. So if we had missed out any question, please do post your question in the comment section of this video. Since this is a question and answer video, we'll follow the comments on this video and we'll try to give you a reply in the next question and answer video. Okay guys,
thank you very much.
Hope
guys,
you agree with me. Thanks for watching this video.
And if you want to ask further questions regarding this, please contact us on Instagram. These are our Instagram accounts. Please message us on these IDs and we'll reply back to you. Thank you very much guys. keep subscribing to our channel so that you can follow all our videos.
And if you know anybody else from Merchant Navy background or Merchant Navy family, please do share our video so that it helps us in some way or the other.
Guys, that's a good suggestion. Thank you very much, guys. See you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.